Function description. Second hand. Minute hand. Hour hand. The second counter measures 60 seconds per rotation. The minute counter measures 30 minutes per rotation. The hour counter measures 12 hours per rotation. The chronograph function measures time up to 12 hours. A. Start-stop push button. B. Return to 0 push button. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 35 circles to get a full power. Position 1, setting date, day. Note, the date and day cannot be set when the time is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Position 2, adjusting time. The second hand in 9H will stop. Do not turn the hands anti-clockwise. Example. Set the time to 8 a.m., Friday, 9th. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 35 circles to get a full power. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards, adjust the hands. Recommended to 6 o'clock. Avoid the restricted area. Push the crown back to position 1, setting day-to-day quickly. Turn the crown forwards to adjust the date before 9th, which is 8th. Turn the crown backwards to adjust the day before Friday, which is Thursday. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards. Observe the hands rotating and date our day jumping to 9th, Friday and 8 a.m. Push the crown back to position 0 after the setting. Timing mode. Start. Press button to start timing. Pause. Press button and read 3 chronograph hands. 0 hours, 0 minutes, 7 seconds. Restart. Press button to continue timing. Accelerate presentations. Pause. Press button to read the accumulated time. 1 hour, 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Return to the 0 position. Press button B. The 3 chronograph hands will be reset to the 0 position.